A cashier told me not to be embarrassed about my bank account. She thought I was broke. She was actually super sweet. I have $100 in my checking account right now on purpose. And if you grew up thinking a low bank balance means you're failing, stay with me because the old school money rules we were taught have it backwards. So I'm at a local spot, ready to pay. I pull out my credit card and the girl behind the counter goes, "We don't take credit, debit or cash only." I pull out my debit card and say, "Actually, let me check my balance really quick." And she was so sweet. She leans in and says, "I have to do that too. Don't feel bad. Don't be embarrassed." And I'm standing there like, embarrassed about what? I didn't realize until the next day that she thought I was checking it because I was struggling. She saw a girl checking her account balance and assumed broke. And here's what hit me. That assumption, it's everywhere. We were taught that wealth looks like a fat checking account, money sitting there available. But that's survival mode advice, the kind our moms had to use. It's one of the old money school rules that keep women broke. Wealthy people don't let money sit. They put it to work. And if you're a first-gen daughter, nobody taught us this. We had to figure it out ourselves. There's a better way. And it's how I saved my first 100K in 4.5 years. Here's my setup, 2 steps. Step 1, make your money invisible. The moment my paycheck hits, most of it disappears automatically. 401k maxed, Roth IRA maxed, HSA maxed, emergency fund stacked. I don't touch it. I don't think about it. It just moves without me. Step 2, live life with visible money. That $100 in my checking account, that's part of my visible money. It's what I spend on whatever I want, guilt-free. When I've spent down the hundreds of dollars in my spending queen account, then we're done for the month. No stress, no shame, because everything that matters is already handled. The cashier saw that I was pausing to pay for $60 on a debit card and thought, struggling. But behind that low balance, a 6-figure net worth growing in the background. I now check my accounts once a month, not to budget, not to stress, but to calculate my net worth. Because watching that number grow, it's now fun. You don't need a fat checking account to be rich. You need to set up what builds wealth while living your life. Soon, you'll be checking your net worth for fun as well. Old school rule says, keep all your cash in checking so you're safe. Our rule says, automate first, live on what's left. Build wealth in the background. The rules we grew up with helped us survive, but survival is not wealth. And we're done just surviving. So if you've ever felt embarrassed about a bank balance, flip it. Ask yourself, is my money sitting or is it growing? Start with one automation this week, just one. Your savings, your Roth, your rent, make it invisible. If you're still watching, you're already thinking differently than 90% of people. Watch this next one. It's the one that I'll show you exactly how to set your invisible money setup. It's how I saved 100K in 4.5 years. And that's how we close the wealth gap, all right? Get rich and stay ungovernable. See you next Sunday, friends.